So now same view of your which can see the ArcGIS Pro. You can download your shapefile of any country by going to the this website, which is known as Deva GIS. For example, I can download my shapefile uh, of Pakistan by searching Pakistan, and I have interested in the administration area. So you can also see different shapefile which are present. You can, if you are working in different like land populations, you can download easily and work in ArcGIS Pro. So I will be downloaded, so it will be the zip file. So you want to firstly extract it. So by clicking this one, so I want to extract my first the zip file and see it. This is the extract file. I will be go to my desktop. This is the geology software, and okay, so it will be extracted. You can easily drag by this from your file manager, but I want to like go to the view, go to your catalog panel, go to your folder. I want to connect some new folder, for example my desktop will be desktop and this geology software. Okay, so it will connect, refresh it. So whenever you go to geology software, they have different shape files. So I want to this one by clicking shift and dragging on this. So this is our shape file which I loaded easily, downloaded from Deva GIS. And the whenever you see your shape file in your folder, it will be seem like this one. This will be the ArcGIS Pro file which we are working. This will be the file which you are input your shape file, and they have a lot of data. This is the main file of the ArcGIS Pro. This is the shape file of different. So we mostly interested in the SHP. So whenever you can use your ArcGIS Pro, so mostly drag your SHP like this, and you can visible like this. So I want to remove it, so there's no need. So this is how we can see it. Main focus which I focus in Pakistan, we have a salt range. So mostly whenever I just go to layout, so firstly I will be present the Pakistan. In Pakistan we have the different province. In province we have the Punjab province. In Punjab we have salt range. So we have four layouts we can be represented. So if I uncheck it, uncheck, so this is our first Pakistan shape file. And you can go to your insert new map. We have we have will be four new maps, four layouts. So we will be do, okay, so we remove no topography. Okay, go to another new. Okay, it will be take some minutes, and go to another new. So we have four maps in order to four layout maps. This will be our the main Pakistan, which will be we located the salt range. No, firstly we will locate where is the Pakistan, then we go to the map one. So firstly I will be copy it. If I can shift and control C, copy it, and this we can control V, so you can paste it in this map too. Firstly I will be remove this base map, it's not needed, and then paste it. Then we go to the map 3, remove and paste it. Okay, so uh, firstly I want interested in the map one, the Pakistan map. uh, I not needed the district, so I will be in. Okay, so firstly, okay, if I not needed this one. In Pakistan I will show the salt range, so I think salt range will be this one. So if I remove it, okay, so I will be extracted this district from this map. So I will be go to attribute table. If I go to the attribute table, you can see it they have different um, like names, different everything. So if I uh, click in this area, so it will be give me this is the Pakistan, this will be the Punjab, this will be the Rawalpindi, and this will be the Chakwal district. And if I click on this area, it will be Rawalpindi area. Let's see me where is the salt range is located, in which district.